Have you ever looked up at the sky, seen a huge airplane soaring overhead like a giant metal bird? How can something so incredibly heavy lift off the ground and just fly? But planes do it every single day, all over the world. It's not magic, but it's something just as cool. Let's start with a little mystery to get our brains buzzing. It's like a super busy highway up there, with planes carrying people to visit family, go on vacation, travel for work, all their suitcases, and the massive weight of the planes themselves, all floating miles above our heads. And today, we're going to uncover all the clues together. It's a delicate balance, a scientific masterpiece that allows these heavy machines to defy gravity and cruise through the air with what looks like effortless grace. So, what are the secret ingredients that make an airplane fly? We call them the four forces of flight: lift, thrust, drag, gravity. Imagine an airplane in a giant tug-of-war with these four invisible forces. So for a plane to fly, thrust must be greater than drag, and lift must be greater than gravity. So for a plane to fly, thrust must be greater than drag, and lift must be greater than gravity. Before a giant airplane can even think about soaring into the clouds, there's a whole team of people on the ground making sure it's safe and ready to go. Inside the cockpit, which is like the plane's brain, the pilots go through a very long checklist. This plan is like a map for the sky, telling the plane exactly where to go, how high to fly, how to avoid other planes. A big jet can hold thousands of gallons of fuel, enough to fill hundreds of cars. Once everyone, the pilots, the ground crew, and the cabin crew, gives the all clear, the plane is finally ready. The doors are closed and the plane gets pushed back from the gate to begin its journey to the runway. All of this happens for every single flight. Now for the most exciting part, takeoff. The plane taxis slowly from the gate to the start of the runway, like a runner getting into position for a race. The pilots get permission from the air traffic controllers in the tower, who are like the traffic cops of the airport. You'll hear the engines roar to life as they start producing a massive amount of thrust. When they reach a certain speed, called takeoff speed, the lift being generated by the wings becomes strong enough to overcome the force of gravity. And just like that, the wheels leave the ground, and you are flying.